Virginia here with Jenny Lee Gems. I just wanted to show you I am going to try some varnish to seal this latest basket that I made. I've had some issues with the beeswax. Now I normally beeswax all of my baskets and it looks good, but on some colors I've noticed there's just a bit of fading after you wax them. And it looks okay, but I really don't like it on a brand new basket. So someone mentioned varnish. So I went searching and I found this varnish at Hobby Lobby. There's all different types of craft varnish, but I picked this one. So I did a little tester on just some random threads. It stiffens them up and it didn't discolor them that I could tell. Likewise, I tried it on some purple pine needles because I have another basket I need to seal in something of this nature because it went to the beach and it kind of melted off totally because it was just too hot there. So I'm trying this varnish and this is a little tester. It looks like it's done well on other products. So I'm going to try it on this little basket and I'm just going to show you how I've been applying it. Now it doesn't have a real strong smell, just a slight smell. So I'm keeping my little mask on. I'm not using gloves because I like to be able to grasp stuff. But if I sound muffled, it's because I have my mask on. So the way I've been doing it is just very carefully. I didn't want to get it on the beads, although I don't think it will hurt it. But I've just got a little craft brush and I've placed my liquid varnish in a little jar and I just brush it on lightly, just lightly. You don't need a whole bunch. It seems to sink in pretty well. So I've just been going around the basket methodically and adding just a little bit on to protect it. And this is a gloss one. It looks like there's matte ones available. I always, of course, make sure to protect my table with my paper so that nothing ruins it. And it dries pretty quickly and it washes off your hands pretty quickly. So now I'm not putting any on my, I am not putting anything on my center or on my beads. The wax I do get on the center, but then it easily wipes off. So this looks like it's covering and sinking in just beautifully. Now, I don't gob it on. It's just very light, very, very lightly. And then if you get a lot in one spot, just work it down in. Like, see how that's pretty dark? I just kind of smooth it around and make sure to get it in on the pine needles. And I'll show you what it looks like when it dries. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this helps. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Your basket is done. It's all waxed and preserved and ready for shipping.